who brings a fire, ignites a candle, and make his home. So carry your candle, and through the darkness. Good the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. He made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful. Oh, what is longing for it? Oh, what little standing there? All because they do not carry everything to volunteer. Heaven, dreams and temptations.
Yes, my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of
It's rich and variety, culture, language, and religions. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and others, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion.
In it will be prosperity along as happiness.
Good morning to each and everyone. I am Lena Datta, standing in front of you all to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. China to revise women's protection law for first time in 30 years. Excited about India-UK partnership, Rishi Sunak tells Prime Minister Modi.
My name is Ishan Singh from class 5A. Today I am saying the 24-hour headline news. First, highlights from international news. Maharashtra was not taking concrete steps to be helped with farmer safe land. MP Modi celebrated Deepavali in Kargil state. India will always stand in the Gopal Shah Iman Jankar on UN Day. Roar over this year reputation. It was inactive for MPT board of the war between the government and Raj Mahan. Second, highlights of international news. Russia executed Iranian organic city order narrative law. Salman Khashoggi intervened short on the narrative.
One and all present in the morning assembly, respected fathers, members of the teaching staff, and you all my dear lovely Bosconians. I, Kinshuknath of class 6C, standing in front of you to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. China's 20th Communist Party Congress will begin on 16 October in Beijing. UK-India trade deal will not be signed by this Diwali since there are a number of issues from which both sides have not agreed yet. Secondly, here are some local news. BJP to have 33 districts, 185 mandal office in Assam. All northeast states should try to resolve boundary dispute, says Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma. Hemala says to visit Dima Haso as there is no language to expose Dima Haso's beauty.
About the events of history on the date of November 5. On this day in 1914, France and Britain declared war on Turkey, widening the conflict of World War I. On this day in 1872, Susan B. Anthony, a leader in the American women's suffrage movement, cast a ballot in the presidential election. A very lovely morning to each and everyone present here. Myself, Nikita Hazarika from class 5 is standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic that is no focus. Focus is to give all our attention to something which has an important value in our life. The ability to focus can make or break our success in life. When we have a clear goal, we can sleep.
Good morning each and everyone. Today's thought of the day is education is the foundation of success. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Once Abdul Kalam, our former president, he said, dream is not something that you have in the sleep. It is something that do not let you sleep. The meaning of all these quotes is like that we have to work hard in our day-to-day life if you want to achieve something great in a person's life. So always remember that hard work always pays off. Even if you are just an average or an ordinary student, still if you are somebody with humility and an attitude of hard work, then very sure that you will go ahead in life.
Good morning to Reverend Father Arrested Joseph, the principal of the school, Society Chapel, PSM of
my beloved students. I'm very happy to be just before you for this morning assembly. When Father Augustine invited me yesterday to join for the assembly, I was wondering what the assembly could be like. But I saw the performance. I feel very happy to see you performing with such confidence. And on this day, I would like to appreciate Father, Sister, the teachers and all of you, dear students, for the well-performed Golden Jubilee celebration. I was invited and I was there and I witnessed the program. It went very well. Congratulations to all of you. This school has become transformed the souls of many of them and they are very grateful to the school. This life you will never get back because the best part of your life is spent here with your friends, with the teachers, the school, the management, whatever. The campus is open for you to make your life. It is up to you to make your life. You want to make your life, you want to build it, you want to form your character, you want to become a good leader, you want to become someone very great. It is all up to you.